Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to solve an equation that is x to the power 6 plus 64 is equals to 0. In this equation we will get 6 values of x. So let's start our solution. Our equation is x to the power 6 plus 64 is equals to 0. This x to the power 6 can be written as x square whole cube plus 64 can be written as 4 cube is equals to 0. Now we will apply an formula that is a cube plus b cube, which will give a plus b is equals to a square minus ab plus b square. Now we will apply this formula in this equation, in which a is our x square and b is 4. A square x square plus square minus x square into 4 plus b is our 4 is equals to 0. Now x square plus 4, this become x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 16 is equals to 0. Now we have two equations, that is x square plus 4 is equals to 0 and x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 16 is equals to 0. In this case we will take this 4 to x square is equals to minus 4 right hand side. So by taking square root both the sides, we get x equals to plus minus under root 4 into under root I 1 minus 1. So this become x equals to plus minus 2 under root minus 1, we know that is I. So two equation of x we got, plus minus 2i. Another 4 values we will get from this equation. Now this is in the form of quadratic equation, that is x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, in which a is 1, b is minus 4, c is 16. This can be further written as x square minus 4x square plus 16 is equals to 0. So we have to find x square, as minus b is minus 4 plus minus b is minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 16 upon 2 into 1. So x square is equals to minus plus 4, this is 16 minus 64 upon 2. X square is equals to 4 plus minus, this become minus 48 upon 2. X square is 4 plus minus, this can be written as 16 into 3 into minus 1 upon 2. X square is 4 plus minus under root 16 under root 3 under root minus 1 upon 2. X square is 4 plus minus 4 root 3 I upon 2. So this becomes x square 2 plus minus 2 root 3 I. Now we have to find the value of x. Here we got x square, so x square is equals to 3 plus minus 2, 3i minus 1, 3 minus 1 will give you 2, so x square is equals to, this can be written as root 3 square plus 2 into root 3i plus minus 1 can be written as I square. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So x square is equals to under root 3 plus I whole square. Now taking square root both the sides, this got cancelled, so we are left with x equals to under root 3 plus I plus minus. So this is the final answer. Another we got x is equals to plus minus 2i. So this is the answer of the equation. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.